Holy shit, it finally showed up. I opened the box thinking it was something else I ordered. But it was this. And I knew immediately what it was because it says right there, it's the freaking Nexdock. Holy shit. I ordered this in March. Pre-ordered it. So it is, I haven't been waiting that long. But it has been long for me. Let's see what we got. This is just going to be unboxing because I'm, oh shit. Probably breaking shit. I'll do some more in-depth videos as it comes. Okay, so it's going to open that way. One-handed, this is kind of hard. Ooh, look at quick start guide. Questions at the website. Don't call. Got the same stuff on the website. Got some English. Oh, it's shiny. Oh, it's shiny. It's so cool. Alright, we'll get to that in a second. The most important thing, the big chungus. Got a little thing of cables. Got some barking spiders. Oh, so hard to do this one-handed. Alright. Got a USB-C on-the-go adapter. Man, this side of it's cheap as fuck. Holy shit. Got a power brick. Oh, hey, look, it's not even sealed. That's awesome. So let's see what we got here. It says 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.22, 12 volts at 1.67. USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, we got another two USB-C cables. I'm guessing that's probably power, and this one's meant for data. Then we got mini HDMI to full-size HDMI. It looks like 3 or 4 feet. This is probably about a foot. Now, let's see what we have here. Can I open it one-handed? No. Let's see what I can do. Oh. Working without a viewfinder because GoPro from 2012. How does this work? Oh, it's magnetic. Yeah, that's. I mean, okay, there we go. Ooh. Got a peel here. And it does this number. Well, I guess that is what it is. They call that tent mode. So that's when I would use it like a secondary display. So on the right side we got USB-C, power, micro SD, USB-C, and headphones. I mean, it's so weird that we have USB-C and micro SD. Like, it used to have a full-size USB-A port. There is literally physical space for it, but there's the mini HDMI, and that's one of them. I think that's just, oh, that's for the phone. Alright, let's see what happens if you power it on. Alright, tap. We got a light. We got something. What we got? What we got? Ooh. I'm not getting settings. Swipe down there, not the, it wasn't the trackpad, it was the thing right there. Oh, that's cool. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is, but that makes it go away. Oh, that's the volume. So it ships with some battery charge in it. That wobbles a lot. But that's it for an unboxing.